Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make thin matcha crispy cookies. Replace matcha with cocoa and make chocolate cookies. It's so easy and fun to make. Let's see how to do it. Into a large bowl, add some room temperature butter. Blend it till it becomes creamy. Add some powdered sugar and combine it well. Into it, add some egg white and blend it again. Once it is well mixed in, add some matcha powder and blend it. As I told you earlier, you can replace matcha with some cocoa powder and make chocolate cookies, or simply skip the matcha and make plain crispy cookies. Now into that, add all-purpose flour batch by batch and combine it. Once all the dry ingredients are really mixed in, our batter is ready. Now to get the perfect round cookies, I'm just marking it on a parchment paper using a glass. So dip the glass in the batter and mark it like this. Now take around spoonful of this batter and just swirl it around and make the round cookie shape. So these cookies will not spread while baking. So you can make these cookies in any desired shape. But as the batter is really sticky, the round shape was only comfortable for me. Place some almond flakes on top of the cookies. And bake this in a 120-degree preheated oven for around 20 minutes or till it becomes dry and crispy. And once it cools down, just shake the parchment paper and it will come out so easily. Look at the thin, crispy cookies. It tastes so delicious. You can store these cookies in an airtight container and the crispness will last up to 2 weeks. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel.